What's up, ladies? It's your girl, Hypnotic Lady, and jumping right in, the company I will be working with today is WowAfrican Hair. They sent me a cute little wig cap, a thank you letter. I also got this cute little comb with their WowAfrican logo, and they also sent me this wax stick or fly away tamer. And then of course these cute little clips. This is the wig. This is their 13x6 blonde honey blonde in the style Kelly. It is 20 inches and 150 density. This is HD lace. Get into it, get into it. Y'all, the custom color is bomb. This hair came pre-bleached, pre-plucked. I didn't have to do anything to this lace at all. This is what it's looking like fresh out the pack. Jumping right in, we're going to go ahead and cut off our excess lace with an eyebrow razor. I just like to do a little slit down the middle and then take my eyebrow razor on each side and cut off the excess lace like so. You can already see this, definitely giving scalp, no makeup, no adhesive, no nothing. Again, y'all, look at this lace. Don't play, okay? We're going to cut off the other side and then jump right into the install and finish this up. To do my install, you want to go ahead and lay everything back, and then I'm going to take my Even Wonder spray. This is their sensitive skin spray. It is a part of their new line. I love it. Just spray that on the perimeter of your hairline right in front. As you guys can see, we're going to cover up some of that forehead, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to use my blow dryer on a low heat setting, and I'm just going to use this for maybe about 10 to 20 seconds until everything's nice and tacky. Once I like the tackiness of the adhesive, we're going to gently place our lace down and use our our rat tail comb and our blow dryer to comb the lace into the adhesive spray. And once everything is adhered down, we're going to repeat the same steps on the sides until everything is fully laid. Next, I'm going to go ahead and pop that adhesive spray right on top of the lace just to give it some extra security. Make sure you are taking a comb and a blow dryer so it's not sticking in your hair, gunking up, you know, leaving product. We want it to look as neat as possible. And y'all, this lace was giving, okay? Like, y'all can't tell me that's not my hair. And we ain't put no makeup or anything on this lace. Like, WowAfrican came through, baby, okay? Now I'm just going to keep combing until I like everything. You want to make sure everything's nice and tight. You ain't got no gunk built up in your hair. And then I'm going to comb out the front and do the same things on the sides. Just going to put a little bit of adhesive spray up underneath the lace. Then I'm going to go in with my Songbird blow dryer on a low heat setting and my rat tail comb, gently blow everything into place. Once that's done, I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side, and then we're going to get into styling. Next, I'm going to go ahead and pull out my parts. This is a 13x6 lace, so you guys can do deep side parts and deep middle parts. Here I'm just showing you guys what everything is looking like. Y'all, I'm so obsessed with this wig. Like, WowAfrican really outdid themselves, because I literally had to do nothing to this hair. Literally. I did not bleach it. I did not pluck it. I did not color it. I didn't do anything. It came straight out the pack like this, okay? Once I get my part, I'm going to go in with my flyaway tamer or my wax stick that they provided with me. And then I'm going to go in with my hot comb and flatten everything out. Make it all nice and neat. You want to make sure it's looking like scalp, baby. You know, we don't ever want no helmets on our heads. So make sure you pressing it out. Press it out, okay? Once that's done, I am going to make sure everything's nice and flat, neat, nice looking. You want to make sure everything looks good like scalp, and it already is, y'all. I'm running my wax stick across the front of the hairline just to make sure everything is nice and neat, laid back, sleek looking. Like, that's what you want. Once this is done, we're going to get right into styling and finish up this hair tutorial. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 230 or Natural Buff. You always want your powder to be one shade lighter than your skin tone. And then I'm just going to pop that right into my lace just to define my part, make it look more realistic, more defined. You never want to use a white powder, and you don't want to use a powder the same color as your skin tone just because your scalp is naturally lighter than the rest of your body. Now, once that's done, that's definitely giving scalp. We're going to go in with our Babyliss Pro Titanium Straightener, and I did speed this up just for the sake of the video. This straightener is about a 1-inch straightener, but it does have ceramic sides so you guys can do curls like so. Here I'm just parting out some small/medium sections, and I'm curling away from my face, starting at the bottom and then working my way up to the top. Once that's done, I'm going to do the other side, and then I'm going to come back with the finished look. To show you guys in real time what the curls were looking like, giving very much body luster. I loved it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and curl this other side, like I said, starting at the bottom, working my way up to the top. I'm taking small sections, curling away from my face, and I'm just holding it on the barrel for maybe 10 seconds, if that. I'm curling it while I'm winding it up, so as soon as I let it sit, I drop it, because I didn't really want any tight curls. I wanted like a loose, messy look. But once we finish this, that will be the completed look. ladies, so this is what we're looking like once we finish all the curls. Super, super cute. You can leave it like this or you can comb them out. I am going to comb them out. Once they're combed out, this is what it's giving, baby. Okay, I'm so obsessed with this hair. Again, ladies, this is WowAfrican. This is their 13x6 honey blonde brown lace wig. It did come pre-styled in curls, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked in the style Kelly. If you guys like this video, please let me know. Y'all, look at that lace. No lace, no case, baby. Okay, no baby hairs, no makeup, no nothing. This is what it looks like straight out of the box, straight out of the pack, baby. Okay, we ain't had to do nothing to this but install it, and I put that on me, on my mama. Okay, like, we didn't have to do nothing. This wig is perfect for beginners. 10 out of 10, definitely recommends. Y'all, look at it. Get into it, get into it. This color was everything. The lace was everything, y'all. When I tell you, I didn't have to do nothing. And this is what the back looks like. As you guys can see, full root to tip. Holds a curl, definitely giving body, not see-through. Color is all the way through. I love it. Get into it. WowAfrican, y'all did the damn thing. But again, ladies, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all want to see. Y'all want to see more styling tutorials? Do you want to see more wigs that are fresh? Well, you know, already made, ready out the box so we can just quickly install them? Or do you like seeing the process? Let me know. But again, ladies, it's your girl Hypnotic Lady. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.